wife, 2 kids, a home so bright. I gave you respect, but my heart wasn't right. You were the glue, held it all in your hands, but I couldn't see, couldn't understand. Every morning your love was there, silent and steady like a whispered prayer. I took it for granted, never saw the spark, till the crash came and tore us apart. And now there's no tea by the bed today, no warmth in the silence, no words left to say. I didn't cry when they laid you to rest, but now I'm breaking, my heart's a mess. Too late for tears, too late for love. I'm reaching for you, but you're gone above. Cars spun wild, the world turned black. They rushed you away, but you never came back. At the funeral, I stood like stone, no tears would fall. I faced it alone, but the next day dawned and the truth sank in. Your quiet love was where life begins. The table's empty, the house feels cold. I'm lost in the story I never told. Now there's no tea by the bed today, no warmth in the silence, no words left to say. I didn't cry when they laid you to rest, but now I'm breaking, my heart's a mess. Too late for tears, too late for love. I'm reaching for you, but you're gone above. Every cup you poured, every meal you made, every smile you gave in the light and shade. I see it now, how you carried us through. Oh my love, I'm in love with you. But the clock's run out and I'm left behind with a heart full of love you'll never find. Now there's no tea by the bed today, no warmth in the silence, no words left to say. I didn't cry when they laid you to rest, but now I'm breaking, my heart's a mess. Too late for tears, too late for love. I'm reaching for you, but you're gone above. I'm sorry, my love, for the years I was blind, for the love I found when there's no more time. Your shadow's here in the life we knew, but it's too late for tears and too late for you.
We have the strength of the three of us. I have a knife to cut you down if you should need. What do you do when it's all been said? Where do you go when it's all been done? Where do you run when you're alone, when there's no one left to hurt you? We'll be alright. We have the strength of the three of us.